Further, in the earliest 1900s, archaeologists discovered very ancient bronze artifacts in eastern Nigeria at a site called Igbo Ukwu, properly pronounced Igbo Ukwu, and one of the artifacts was a distinct model of this unified field. The artifact is called the Igbo Ukwu torus model, or the hyperball. The hyperball was created by the ancient Igbo scientists, which displays an intricate geometric pattern of lines, circles, and curves consisting of interconnected hexagonal shapes. It contains every math formula, every law of physics, every harmony, and every biological life form. Nigerian-born physicist and super scientist Philip Emeagwali, who is known as the father of the internet, invented his model of the hyperball to create the internet grid inspired by the ancient Igbo hyperball constructed by our ancestors more than 6,000 years before quantum field theory was introduced. What modern physicists have only recently discovered, ancient African scientists knew the science of unified fields, a system of cosmological knowledge, Afa, or